Hello my friends, today we're taking a look at AirChoice's shoe dryer. Okay, so you get a manual, this is it. Everything takes, maybe 2 minutes to put together. Your shoe's gonna go like this, so you're gonna have this piece just simply slides on, then you're gonna slide this down in, and that's it. It does say that you need to wait about 10 to 15 minutes for it to heat up, so turn it on with the on and off button. Give it 10 to 15 minutes for it to heat up. And then you just put your shoes and boots on and you just wait. And then it's going to look something just like this. So we have two different types of shoes to show you guys. And yeah, I like it a lot. This is going to work great, especially in the winter time when our shoes get wet or when we're hiking in the woods for whatever reason. And also it's a great shoe warmer. So if you want your shoes nice and warm when you leave for work or for whatever reason, yeah, you guys can easily warm them up. Just keep in mind it'll take 10 to 15 minutes for the heater to start getting warm enough. Let's take this off. You can see how easy it is to slide it on and off.